Did you know chia seeds are like nature's electrolytes? Packed with minerals, they play a crucial role in supporting muscle function and heart health. With a whopping 95 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, chia seeds are a powerhouse source of this vital nutrient, alongside offering respectable amounts of potassium. Are you ready to dive into the world of chia seeds, the tiny superfoods with mighty powers? From beating salmon in the omega-3 race to fighting off cancer, chia seeds are the unsung heroes of the health world. Stick around as we uncover the top 10 health benefits and the latest groundbreaking research on these miraculous seeds. Did you know chia seeds pack more omega-3 fatty acids by weight than salmon? That's right, these little wonders are bursting with fatty acids that can reduce chronic disease risk, inflammation, and support heart and brain health. The top 10 health benefits revealed. Nutritional powerhouse. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, chia seeds are your one-stop shop for nutritional excellence. Free radical fighters. With their antioxidant arsenal, chia seeds wage war on free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. Heart heroes. Omega-3s and chia seeds keep your heart pumping strong by lowering bad cholesterol levels. Blood sugar stabilizers. Steady your blood sugar levels with chia's blend of fiber and healthy fats, perfect for diabetes management. Inflammation inhibitors. Chia seeds are natural anti-inflammatories, helping to soothe and reduce bodily inflammation. Weight management wonders. Feeling full and satisfied is easier with chia's fiber, aiding in weight loss efforts without the hunger pangs. Bone builders. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, chia seeds are the building blocks for strong, healthy bones. Protein-packed. For plant-based diets, chia seeds offer a complete protein profile, fueling your muscles and body. Digestive health. High fiber content means a happy gut, aiding digestion and promoting regularity. Estrogen balancers. Chia seeds support healthy hormone levels, ensuring your body's estrogen is in check. Latest research spotlight. Breaking news in the health community. A new study reveals chia seeds' genetic makeup holds the key to battling heart disease and possibly certain cancers. Scientists have unlocked the secret to chia seeds' high polyunsaturated fatty acids content and their unique gel-forming ability, opening doors to innovations in food, cosmetics, and medicine. Amazed by the power of chia seeds? There's more where that came from. For detailed benefits, how to seamlessly integrate them into your diet, and groundbreaking recipes, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on transforming your health with very okay. Here are 10 interesting, lesser-known facts about chia seeds, emphasizing scientific insights where available. Ancient running food. Historically, chia seeds were known as runner's food, because Aztec warriors consumed them for high energy and endurance. Science today supports this, as chia seeds' blend of carbs, protein, and fats provides a balanced energy source. Hydrophilic properties. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. This unique property can keep you hydrated longer and has been studied for its potential in prolonged endurance activities. Skin repair and regeneration. The high omega-3 content in chia seeds not only benefits internal health but also contributes to skin repair and maintains the skin's moisture barrier. This effect can potentially help in reducing signs of aging. Cognitive enhancement. A study suggested that the omega-3s in chia seeds can improve cognitive performance, particularly enhancing memory and concentration due to their neuroprotective properties. Cancer-fighting potential. Preliminary research indicates that alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, found in chia seeds, may help reduce the growth of cancer cells in breast and cervical cancers, offering a potential adjunct treatment through diet. Impact on pregnancy. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of nutrients for pregnant women, offering essential fatty acids, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients support the development of the baby's brain and bones. Regulating sleep. Chia seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can help regulate sleep patterns. Tryptophan aids in the production of serotonin and melatonin, key hormones involved in sleep. Environmental benefits. Chia plants are hardy and drought-resistant, requiring less water than many other crops. Their cultivation can contribute to sustainable farming practices, making chia seeds an eco-friendly food choice. Influence on dental health. Beyond their general health benefits, chia seeds' calcium content is beneficial for teeth. Calcium, along with phosphorus and vitamin A in chia seeds, can help maintain oral health and prevent tooth decay. Gluten-free nutrition. Chia seeds are naturally gluten-free, making them an excellent nutritional addition for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. They can be used to add texture and nutrients to gluten-free recipes without the risk of adverse reactions. Did you know chia seeds are a natural mood enhancer? Their rich magnesium content not only supports bone health but also plays a crucial role in boosting your mood and reducing stress. It's the feel-good seed you didn't know you needed. Chia seeds for hydration and athletic performance. Beyond nutrition, chia seeds are a hydration hero. When soaked, they form a gel-like substance that aids in hydration, making them perfect for athletes and active individuals. Incorporating chia seeds into your pre-workout meal can significantly enhance endurance and performance. Ready to level up your fitness game? Chia seeds and digestive health. Let's talk digestion. Chia's impressive fiber content isn't just good for keeping you full, it's essential for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. From easing constipation to promoting a healthy gut microbiome, chia seeds are your gut's best friend. Can chia seeds reduce belly fat? Chia seeds have recently become a very powerful superfood, especially for weight loss and belly fat loss, and for good reason too. The first thing about these seeds that we must know is that they are loaded with fiber. Which is better, white or black chia seeds? Chia seeds come in black and white varieties, but there is no difference in nutritional content. There are a few rare cautions when eating chia seeds. While chia seeds are generally safe and beneficial for most people, some potential side effects include digestive issues. High fiber content can cause bloating or gas, especially if consumed in large amounts without sufficient water. Allergic reactions, rare but possible, including symptoms like itching or hives. Blood thinning. The high omega-3 content may interact with blood thinning medications, potentially enhancing their effect. Low blood pressure. Their ability to lower blood pressure might be an issue for people with hypotension or those on blood pressure medications. It's recommended to consume chia seeds in moderation and ensure proper hydration. If you're taking medication or have underlying health conditions, consulting with a healthcare provider before adding chia seeds to your diet is wise. Here are 5 delicious chia seed recipes. 1. Chia seed pudding. Ingredients: a quarter cup chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, or any milk of choice, 1 tablespoon maple syrup or honey, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: in a bowl, combine chia seeds, almond milk, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Stir well and let sit for 5 minutes. Stir again to break up any clumps. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Serve chilled with your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries or nuts. 2. Banana chia smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup spinach leaves, 1 cup almond milk. Ice cubes optional. Instructions: place all ingredients in a blender. Blend on high until smooth and creamy. Serve immediately for a refreshing and energizing drink. 3. Lemon chia seed dressing. Ingredients: a quarter cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, chia seeds, and honey in a bowl. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Let it sit for 10 minutes to allow chia seeds to swell. Drizzle over your favorite salad or veggies. 4. Chia seed jam. Ingredients: 2 cups fresh or frozen berries, raspberries, strawberries, etc. 2 tablespoons chia seeds. 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup. Instructions: heat berries in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until they break down and become syrupy. Mash berries to your desired consistency. Stir in chia seeds and honey. Mix well. Remove from heat and let cool. The jam will thicken as it cools. Transfer to a jar and refrigerate. Use within a week. 5. Chia seed crackers. Ingredients: 1 cup chia seeds, 1 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Optional seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, rosemary. Instructions: preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 165 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a bowl, mix chia seeds, water, salt, and any additional seasonings. Let it sit for 15 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. Spread the mixture thinly and evenly over the parchment paper. Bake for 30 minutes, then cut or score into cracker shapes. Flip and bake for another 30 minutes, or until completely dry and crisp. Let cool and enjoy with your favorite dips or as a healthy snack. These simple, fast, and delicious recipes showcase the versatility of chia seeds, making it easy to incorporate them into your diet for a nutritional boost. Thanks for watching. Very okay.